Okay, so I have a 2-pack of these here. These are gonna be like medieval shoulder pads. If you've seen my some of my videos, you know I have a whole medieval set of everything. I am ready for the Renaissance Festival, for sure, anytime. So we have the black ones here. I'm just gonna grab one of these out of here. And we have the brown ones here. So let's take one of those out, just to give you an idea of one of each. And I'll show you, it also comes with the string to tie it up, so you're not left out in the open with nothing. Okay, so you can see here's the string for it, and the string for the black one as well. And so these we can wrap around. I think it would go, does it go this way here, like that? And I can string it through like I would string a shoe lace. Let's see if I go there. Okay, I am gonna not know what I don't know what I'm doing as far as stringing this thing up, but we'll give this thing a go. So we'll go that to that, it'll go there, and then I'm just gonna go through these top ones here. We're just gonna do two holes because of time. Okay, so here we go. So then I can go and put this on me as such, and when you pull it tight, yeah, it'll stay where it goes. Oh, well, you get the idea. I am horrible at that, putting it on. It's a 2-person job probably to put this on, or somehow you got to learn how to do it. But it'll be like that. So it'll be a nice little arm sleeve. This is cool. So you can have this color or this color. And these are like leather. They totally smell like leather. I don't know if they're real or not, but they smell leathery. So you can have those on, and those are sweet. And it says they are, this is it here. It says unisex, adjustable, 2-pack, I guess brown too, whatever. That's what it is. So totally cool. I like it. Thumbs up.